What is the strategies to launch the products in international market? There are different strategies adopted by the companies in the world market. That is waterfall approach, maybe one reason. I mean to say one particular strategy. Wave approach, then the sprinkler approach, then global approach. These are the strategies. That means waterfall approach, wave approach, sprinkler approach and global approach is basically taken or adopted by the companies internationally while launching new products. Then what is the features of waterfall approach? Here the focus is single country basis. That means you are focusing on each and every country, only one country at a time. That means you are basically extracting the benefits from this particular country. You are investing a lot of money onto that particular market and you are expecting good return from that. Based on the success of this country, you are launching products to another country. So what is the plus point of this waterfall approach? The plus point of waterfall approach is the uncertainty is basically negligible. Why it is so? The uncertainty is negligible because you are launching at a time only in a country. You are not focusing so many countries. That means you are not investing so much money. What type of companies are doing this kind of following this kind of approaches? The companies do not have the brand value, or the company do not have the financial capabilities fall into this particular category. That is waterfall approach. One market at a time. Although there is some kind of risk which is associated this waterfall approach. What is this? That means if you launch the product into that particular market and if the market return is not so good or you are facing some kind of problems from that particular market, you can withdraw easily. But if the investment is enormous for that particular market, then there is a problem. So waterfall approach, your product life cycle is in mature phase or the product life cycle is longer. Now the second one is basically, I would say, wave approach. That means you are targeting similar type of countries. That means it may be India, Bangladesh, as well as Pakistan, Myanmar. The food habits are similar almost. I would say lifestyle is also similar. So you are focusing on these particular aspects in wave approach. Euthanasia, Lithuania, Latvia, this kind of market you can talk about in wave approach also. That means these markets having the similar kind of pattern. Now next approach is sprinkler approach. What is the meaning of sprinkler approach? You are launching products at a time in many countries. That means you are expecting return from each and every market. If one market is failure, you can expect market return from different markets also. Why it is so? Because you are launching, say for instance, 7 and 8 countries at a time. As a result, what will happen? If your product is clicked in different markets, say for example 6 and 7 markets, definitely your return will be much better. That means even if you are failure in one market, you can expect good return from 7 or 8 markets also. So you are minimizing your risk. That means if you have the brand value as well as financial backup, you can launch the products at a time in different countries. And the last one is global approach. Here you launch the product globally. Samsung, Apple are these type of companies where the tremendous brand value is there in every part of the world. At the same time, they have a financial backup. And as a result, they can adopt the global approaches. Students as well as audience, if you have any queries, you can contact at my email ID, that is probalpat@gmail.com. Thanks a lot.